Hi, thanks for checking out our channel. This is going to be a, hopefully, repair video on a Kencove fault finder and remote control. So we're going to take a look at this, see if we can get the customer up and running again. There's another, Kencove doesn't actually make this tester, it's made by somebody else. Power Wizard is the main brand that makes this tester. It's a private label deal for Kencove. But this is a so Power Wizard, Kencove. There's also a company called Dare, D-A-R-E. They make they sell a model of theirs, a few models that make the fault finder remote control. But they're all the same. Maybe different colored case and different sticker, but the layout and the buttons and all that stuff's all the same. The note on this one, I think it might have gotten wet, if I remember right. It said digital display is messed up. So push the button. Yeah, it's coming on, but it's yeah. See that it's yeah. There's something wrong here. Now I gotta figure out how to take the thing apart. Let's first take these screws off the back here. I've never had to really work on one of these before. I ordered parts for it, not knowing what I needed, but just ordered whatever I could for it. There's the battery, so take the battery out. Don't know if there's any other screws kind of hide up inside here at all. Doesn't feel like it. Let's take these two screws out here. Don't lose that. Come on. Alright, now we're going to do some persuasion on this thing so we can get it pop apart. Something to do with this up here, I think, because it is bound up here at the top. Got the bottom pop apart. See if this. I want to say it looks like this thing should pop out of there. There might be a screw hiding underneath here somewhere. But how in the hell do you get that off there? See if we can put a screwdriver on the top lip of this little like belt clip thing or whatever this is. So you tap down on the hammer. Huh. Oh, there it goes. That was easier said than done. Or easier than what I thought it was going to be. There's that. Ow. Feels like we're still hung up here somewhere. It's like a hidden screw in there or something. Alright, where'd that flat screwdriver go? I feel like there's screws. Ah, there it is. There's a screw behind this little lens. There is. There's hidden screws right up in here. I can feel a little. Well, that's sneaky of them. Yep, there's a screw right there. Ooh, you dirty birds. A screw right there. Look at that. Screw right there. And I think, yep, there's another one right here. So I'll kind of gouge a hole in there. Ah, trying to be sneaky about it, huh? Alright, looks like the one's hiding right there, right on the middle back edge of the letter K, and one's right there basically in the notch of the V, just above it. So I just took a flat screwdriver, kind of gouged a little hole to find the screw, and then once I found it, took a flat or a felt screwdriver, pulled it apart there. So now there's the board here. So I think what we're going to try to change first is, I think this board's okay. I'm going to try to change this LCD board, which I've got here in my hand, well, off to the side here. I think the customer said they thought it got wet. Oh, a couple screws down here at the bottom. Now, looking back at this, I don't think I need to take this, the clip and everything, that was on the back of the unit. Alright, we'll set this one off to the side. Here's the new one. We'll go ahead and we'll push that, set that right there. We'll screw it down. Get that one screw halfway started to kind of hold it. And then we'll go over here to this one. Opposite corner. Just to tighten it up. Let's just put it back together halfway for now. Oh, this pin is bent, so straighten that pin out. It's got to plug into this little slot right there. Alright, let's see. Positive, negative, stamped on there, so it goes like this. Oh yeah, looks a lot better as well. Or the LCD showing up. Yeah, just the LCD was our issue. Okay, so pop the battery back out. Put the remaining screws back in little holes in the board. We'll slowly put it back together. So these are good fault finders, pretty reliable. You know, remote controls, fault finder, whatever you want to call them. Put this cover back on. We'll go over here, we'll tighten these two hidden screws, we'll tighten them back up. All right. Like I said, I don't even think we needed to take this off. I mean, I think I did that just by not knowing if we needed to or not. Put this back on. Put the battery back in. This is basically done. So we have to take the metal back off, because hide those two screws, and we got to gouge out there. We'll make a little hole to get those screws out of there. But other than that, this is not too bad of a deal. Pretty cheap fix. These are about $150 tester. I don't know what these things go for exactly. These remote control fault finder, probably $150, $180. I don't know, something like that. Oh, come on. I don't know if that screw start. Cockeyed on there or something. Yep. Working good now. Alright, that's it for now. We'll move on to another project, another repair that we got to do. And until next time, see you guys later on. If you got one of these, want to either send to us for us to work on for you, or if you want to order a part and do it yourself, welcome to do that too. And until next time, see you later on.